So guys, in this video guys, I'm gonna show you how to make video on Vigo, how to use Vigo video app. So friends, I'll let you know TikTok, Vigo video, Kabib, it's almost same app, nothing changes. So first of all guys, you have to register. So my name is Sonam Prajapati and you are watching guys teach tutorial now. So now let's start the video. How can you do this? Okay guys, so now first of all install app Vigo video. So I open it, I have already installed. So first of all guys, you have to register here. You can't use without register. So just click on the register, and after that you can log in with your email ID or with Facebook. Okay, so now I just click on the email ID. I click on the G, and after this friends, let's see. Okay, so friends, now choose your email ID. So guys, I'll let you know how to use this app. So here you can see thousands video, and if you want to make video on same music, so you have to click on this video. And after this friends, if you will click on the share option, you can see bottom share option, first one, and just click on the first one option. So if you want to make duet with other person, so duet mean the girl will be so and you will be so together, one side you and one side the girl. So you can create duet. And if you want to make your single video, so you can choose original sound. So just click on the, I will teach you both ways. So first guys, click on the original sound, and so I can make with this video. And after this friends, you have to click on the smooth, so you can make your video smooth. And it is reshaping my face. And after this you can retouch skin, pimples will removed. And after this friends, props, you can choose any effects here, and here is showing thousands effects, hot India. So suppose I click on this girl, so it is a loading, so you can see my look is changed. And you can choose anything you want. So thousands are effects here. And I choose another one. I just click on the girl, different girl, so it is loading. And after a few seconds it will be load. And let's see how I look. So guys, this is another different effects. And I teach you guys. If you will click on the slide on the screen, so you can see it is changing, skin tone is changing by this option. So friends, after this friends, you can choose big camera, single camera. On the, you can see top camera option. So first of all, I just want to remove this effect, so just click here and I just click on the none. Okay, none option. So you can see circle and the line in the middle, so I just clicked on this option. So after this friends, you have to long press on the red circle for making video. So friends, now I just click on the red circle. I have off music because friends, copyrighted claim can come on my video, that's why I'm not using, I'm just teaching you guys. So you can see it is off. When until it not finished, just press on this button. After this friends, you can lip sync. And after this friends, you have to click on the next button. And after this friends, write a caption, what is your video about, so add here caption. So I'm writing, if your song name is Dilwar Dilwar, so just write here Dilwar Dilwar with Sonam Prajapati, because and you can add tags like hashtag Sonam Dilwar Dilwar, like this. So after finish friends, I'm typing again, I have wrong typed. Okay friends, after this friends, click on this post button. You can save as a draft, and if you don't want to upload now, you can save as a draft. And you can see your video on your profile, only you can see your video if you will save on draft. So I don't want to save, so just click on the post on. Now guys, I back because I'm just teaching you. So friends, if you want to make duet with her, so just click on the share option. And after this friends, click on the duet option. So look, after a few seconds, and you can create dude with her. Guys, now look, and I'm showing with Aishwarya Rai. I just long press on the red circle, so now the video will start becoming, and I just off music because the copyrighted claim can come. So guys, until this white circle not finished, long press on the red circle. After this, friends, click on the right button next, and just post same as you did last video. So I don't want to save it, I just want to back. After this, friends, you can see the camera icon. You can make your camera back, and here is nothing. Here is only, if you don't want to long press, you can set timer. Is a TikTok, you can auto pause video, you can speed up video if you want to make slow, so just choose 0.5. if you want to make fast, so choose 2.0, and same process of making. So it's pretty simple, guys, and you will do easily. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, comment below, like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you soon with the new video. Till now, bye guys.